x squared minus y squared equals 36. Find x and y if both x and y are elements of natural number. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we have a very interesting, very nice question here to solve. And so let's begin. We have a nice question here to solve. So we have x squared, so let's start with our solution. We have x squared minus y squared equals 36. And how do you find x and y? So the first step we're going to do, we remember our law, which says a squared minus b squared equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we are just going to put that here. So we have x plus y multiplied by x minus y equals 36. All right, and now we would like to equate each bracket to 36. But what's 36? We have different factors of 36. We have 36 multiplied by 1, and we have 18 multiplied by 2, and we have 12 multiplied by 3, and we have 9 multiplied by 4, we have 6 multiplied by 6, and so on. So all these equal 36. All these equal 36. And so since we have x plus y bracket x minus y equals 36, how do we equate them? So x plus y, we all know that when we have x plus y, it's going to be greater than x minus y. All right, x plus y is going to be greater than x minus y, because even if we have 1 for x and 1 for y, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So x plus y is definitely greater than x minus y. So let's begin. And so that means we have different cases. We have all these cases for this question here to solve. So let's begin with the first case. So since x plus y will be greater than x minus y, meaning for x plus y, right, bracket x minus y will have equals 36 times 1, so that this which is greater will equate the greater number, will be equated to the greater number, while this which is less will be equated to the lesser number. So we have our case 1, our first case. So let's run through our first case quickly. So we have x plus y equals 36, and we have x minus y equals 1. So what do we do here? We have two equations that we're going to solve simultaneously. So what do? We can just minus equation 2 from equation 1. So x minus x is cancelled. Then we have y minus y. That gives us 2y equals 36 minus 1 gives us 35. Divide both side by 2. We have y to be 17.5. That's 17.5. And so what do? We substitute the value of y. Substitute y equals 17.5 in any equation by using equation 1. Let's use equation 1. So let's we'll substitute. We have x plus y equals 36. So let's substitute y equals 17.5. So we have x plus 17.5 equals 36, and therefore x will give us 18.5. That's for the case 1. Actually, the value of x for the case 1 and the value of y for case 1. How about case 2? So let's jump right into case 2 quickly. So case 2, we have two factors, 18 and 2. So let's go. We have x plus y equals 18, x minus y equals 2. Let's go again. We subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X minus x cancels, and we have y minus y. That gives us 2y equals 18 minus 2 gives us 16. And we have divide both side by 2. Y equals 8. Y equals 8 here, and then we substitute y equals 8 in equation 1. So we have x plus y equals 18, and y equals 8. That was x plus 8 equals 18. And so what's it going to give us? We have x equals 18 minus 8, and then therefore x is 10 for the case 2 of our solution. So for the case 2, x is 10 and y is 8. How about for the case 3, our case 3 of the work? So for case 3, we have case 3 case 3, the second case, which is here, we have 12 and 3 as the factors of 36. So we have case 3, x plus y equals 12, and then x minus y equals 3. So how do we go about this? We also do the same thing. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X minus x cancels. Y minus y gives us 2y, right? And then we have 12 minus 3 gives us 9. And then we divide both side by 2. And we have y equals 4.5. All right. So since y equals 4.5, we will have substitute that value of y equals 4.5 in equation 1. That's this first one. So here we have x plus y equals 12, and that's x plus 4.5 equals 12. That's x equals 12 minus 4.5. And so what that's going to give us, x, therefore x equals 7.5 for equation for case 3, rather, for case 3. So we have x as 7.5, y as 4.5. So we have 2 more equations to go. So we have case 4, we can take that here. Case 4, we have 9 and 4 as the factors of 36. So we have x plus y equals 9 and x minus y equals 4. So we subtract equation 2 from equation 1 again. So we have this cancelled, x minus y cancelled, y minus y gives us 2y equals 9 minus 4 gives us 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then we have divided by 2. Then y equals 2.5. That's 2.5. And then we have x. Okay, we'll substitute y equals 2.5 in equation 1. So we have x plus y equals 9 in equation 1. So we substitute, we have x plus 2.5 equals 9. Therefore we have x equals 9 minus 2.5. X equals 6.5. So for the case 4, we have these as the value of x, that's 6.5, and these as the value of y, 2.5. And so in our last case, that's the case 5. Let's have it here. Case 5, we have two factors of 36 as 6 and 6. So we have x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 6. So as usual, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Then we have y minus y, that's 2y equals 6 minus 6, that's 0. So from here we divide both sides by 2, and of course y equals 0. And then what do we do? And then from here we substitute y equals 0 in equation 1. And then we have x plus y equals 6 in equation 1. So that means x plus 0 equals 6, and definitely x equals 6 minus 0, which is 6. So all these are the values of x. This is the value of x in case 5, and this is the value of y. All right, so for this equation we now have all the values of x and y, and we can check. We'll just check maybe 1 or 2. So let's check here. Let's do a check here. Just check for just 1 or 2. So for the let's check for this one. For this one we have x as 10, y as 8. So let's check. We have x as 10, y as 8. So the original equation actually was x squared minus y squared equals 36. So let's have a check. So we have x squared minus y squared equals 36, and we have our x as 10, that's 10 squared, minus y as 8, that's 8 squared, equals 36. So let's see, x squared is 100 minus 8 squared is 64 equals 36, and definitely it's giving us 36. cross x6. So our solutions are correct, and you can actually cross check the rest of the cases if it gives us an answer. So this is the end of our lesson today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.